Shithawk, yeah. Look at that. Holy fuck, is that a beautiful day. I tell you. Look at how glassy it is. There's Buddy Bill. There's Randy Ballsacker. Oh, we're getting serenaded. Look at that. Hell's bells. Don't ask me why I think that way first. There's a bridge in Selkirk. I've never seen it raised, but looks like it has that capability. And this day is awesome, I tell you. Pretty goddamn cool. So anyways, I hope you're watching. If you're not, I don't even give a fuck. Because I'm having an awesome day. Okay, done. Oh, there's a fucking boat. I'll film that one. Oh, that's them yahoos. Yeah, we seen them earlier. Hold that up so everybody can see it. Hold it off to one side. Buddy catches a clam. We all know that he likes them bearded clams, but holy fuck, that's hilarious. Clam for supper tonight, huh? Old lady will love that one, I tell you. Okay, that's all to report. Look at that night, isn't that brilliant? The bearded clam catcher.
You got a screwdriver?
An Opie.